everyone, welcome to Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Today we're here waiting for my package from Yamibuy, and let's see what I bought there. I think it's here. Please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button below. We would really appreciate it. So Yamibuy is a website that you can buy Asian snacks, seasonings, makeup, and more. Normally, when you order, you can receive it within a week. Let's see what's inside. I can't wait. Grape flavored honey, mushroom sauce for rice, sesame sauce dry noodle, green onion oil dry noodle. Then we have Xinjiang fried rice noodle, sour and spicy noodle from Chengdu, spicy soaking sauce for cooked vegetable and meat, spicy rice noodle soup. Here's my chili sauce. This is a Nanchang dry noodle, tomato and egg noodle soup. Here we have another sesame sauce dry noodle, pork bone noodle, instant hot pot. This is sweet mochi biscuits. This one is the Japanese flavor KitKat. And this one is a new flavor I want to try this time, is a coffee flavor. I think it's gonna go really good with my coffee. They have different type of flavors. You can't find it in the United States. Next one, KitKat again. This one is a raspberry flavor. They say the flavor is really rich. I never had this one before, so I can't wait to try it. KitKat again. Sorry, not sorry. And this one is the strawberry flavor. Since it's strawberry season, everything strawberry just tastes fantastic. Last but not least, the little candy. If you're interested in any of those snacks, you can use the referral links in the description below, and you can get bonus points on your first purchase. Thank you for watching this episode of Big Fan Secret Kitchen. I hope you like this unboxing from Yamibuy, and we will see you next time. Bye! So I always